Hi there, with today's video I'm making an appeal to Maggie de Blok, the new health minister in the Belgian government. And I call upon all of you out in the fitness, vegan, plant food community to do likewise. Make an appeal to Maggie and hopefully we can bring her around into a healthy lifestyle, and by that way setting an example to the rest of the Belgian population. I was alerted to the situation of Maggie being selected as Belgium's new health minister by a video that I saw this morning that was posted up by Freely the Banana Girl down in Australia. And basically the situation is that there have been press releases calling into question the credibility that Maggie would have as Belgium's health minister in a country that is suffering from 47% of the population being borderline, either diagnosed or borderline clinically obese. Now, Maggie herself is reported to be in excess of 300 pounds in body mass. Now, on the surface, I agree with what Freely was saying and what some of the news reports are saying, is that Maggie's personal health issues does not exactly set a brilliant example to the populace of Belgium as far as following a healthy lifestyle and getting the health of the nation under control. At the same time, what Maggie has is a absolutely unique opportunity to use herself as an example. She gets herself onto a healthy lifestyle, high carb, low fat and low sodium, plant-based lifestyle, where she can show the nation by way of her own example how you can pull your complete health under control following a plant-based lifestyle. So that is my appeal that's going out to Maggie, is please come on board and use your example to show the nation what can be done. After all, Maggie, you've got the reputation within the Belgian government as one of the most hard-working ministers. In your previous term as Minister of Internal Affairs, you were able to pull that department completely back in line from where it was before. So that's my appeal to you. Use the situation that you have at the moment as the Minister of Health, pull your own health back in line and set the example to the rest of the Belgian populace that this can be done by anybody. You don't need to go to the pharmacological route. You don't need to spend in excess of $100,000 on triple bypass surgeries. All you need to do is plant-based, high carb, low fat, low sodium, and you'll be able to pull your health back in line. So that is my appeal to Maggie. Please, Maggie, for the sake of your own health and the sake of the health of the nation of Belgium, come on board into a plant-based lifestyle and use that as an example to inspire the populace of Belgium to become healthy themselves. That's my take on the Maggie de Blok situation that's been in the media of late. Please post your comments and questions down below, and click the like button of this video so that it can be more widely distributed through the YouTube channel, as well as share this video out amongst your friends so that we can all get on board and help to inspire Maggie to pull her health back in line, and by her example inspire an entire nation. And also, while you're down in the area below the video, please click the subscribe button as well. That way you can stay up to date on new videos as I post them on a week-to-week basis. Stay safe out there. See you next time. Cheers.